Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into practical tips to make your digital life smoother. Today, we're tackling a common frustration: Microsoft Edge gobbling up your computer's memory like it's going out of style. With the 2025 updates, Edge has some awesome features to help you reclaim that precious RAM, so let's jump right in and optimize it step by step. First off, why does this matter? High memory usage can slow down your PC, cause lags, and even shorten your battery life, especially if you're on a laptop. But don't worry, these fixes are straightforward and effective for the latest Edge version in 2025. Step 1. Make sure you're running the most recent version of Microsoft Edge. Head to Settings by clicking the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Help and Feedback, and select About Microsoft Edge. This will check for updates and install them automatically. Updated software often includes memory optimizations that run in the background. Next, enable Efficiency Mode. In Settings, navigate to System and Performance. You'll find a toggle for Efficiency Mode. Turn it on. This feature, enhanced in 2025, limits how much resources Edge uses when your system is under load, making it a game changer for multitasking. Now, let's talk extensions. They can be memory hogs, so review your installed ones in the Extensions menu. Disable or remove any you don't need regularly. Aim to keep only essentials like ad blockers or password managers. Another tip: manage your tabs wisely. Edge in 2025 has a Sleeping Tabs feature. Go to Settings, Tabs, and enable it. This puts inactive tabs to sleep, freeing up memory without closing them. Also, clear your browsing data periodically by going to Settings, Privacy, Search, and Services greater than Clear Browsing Data. This removes cached files that build up over time. Finally, if you're a power user, experiment with the Performance settings under System. You can limit the number of background processes Edge runs. Test these changes and monitor your task manager to see the improvements. There you have it. Simple steps to make Microsoft Edge lighter on your system. Give these a try, and you'll notice a snappier browser experience. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your results. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.